absolutely amazing. Noah is out here shoveling, and Noah's out here cleaning the car. It's a new way of cleaning the car. This is called rooftop cleaning. Noah's going to demonstrate that for you right there. Alright, it's called rooftop cleaning of the car. Alright, Noah.
What?
How are we doing there?
Good.
How's the rooftop cleaning going?
Good.
Alright. Doing a good job, by the way. And yes, it is still snowing. And yes, it is still fun. Go ahead, Noah. Keep going. Yeah, that's snow in there. You can see him. Busy, working hard. Cleaning that car. Neither do I, but it's interesting. We're hoping that the snow will stop, but hasn't stopped yet. There he goes. He is cleaning the car. Awesome, Noah. Yay!